So we met through a dating app. It was 5 years back, April 2019, just casually swiping right on each other. And then the conversation started. We ended up meeting on our first date.
Let's also say how pricey you act in that initial conversations. Usually लड़की भाव खाती है ना, हमारे relationship में उल्टा है, लड़का ज़्यादा भाव खाता है.
Yeah, that's how we met. It's been 5 years now. I think we've
Almost.
got to know each other really, really nicely. And yeah, looking forward to this next phase in our journey.
The whole proposal, what he planned was something way out of what I thought he could do, or what I thought even I wanted, but it was exactly perfect because I always told him that I want something very simple, I want something not anything very flashy, but whatever, like how the setup was done and all those things, that was just something, it took me a lot by surprise.
I can't reveal it. It's in the city of love. It was in Paris. Yeah, I didn't imagine that I would put in so much of effort into planning the proposal. I think just prior to that, arranging for the photographers, creating a website, planning the outfits and everything. I think it was a very dreamy proposal that we had.
How would I describe him as a person? Okay, tough question to ask. I think maybe after 5 years. Obviously very disciplined. I'm supposed to like that the most about him. Obviously very caring. And I feel a perfect match to me. Like हम अच्छे से झगड़ा कर सकते हैं, so that टक्कर I really like.
I think in front of other people, she tries to put this image of being very innocent and naive, but with me, she's a completely different personality. Like, I get to see what her true nature is, both the good side and not so good side.
I think that's what I really like is I can be the most authentic self with him. I don't want to hide anything about myself. He might not like it, we might have a bit of an argument over it, but in hindsight, I feel I would rather want that authenticity than put up a fake face.
Events that you were excited about was the Telban and the Haldi, and yeah, it came out perfectly.
For me, it would be like this Sangeet event that I was really looking forward to, like dancing also, and more so like I think the practice sessions, because we haven't had a lot of time in our relationship to spend like dancing or going out dancing somewhere.
Yeah.
So it was like for us, I think in 5 years, a very new experience to be dancing together.
Wedding obviously holds so much importance in Indian culture, right? And especially for our parents in their generation, I think wedding is something that they always, is that one singular event in their life, no matter what, that they want their children to get married in the most perfect manner. कैसे कैसे धागों से बुनी है ये दुनिया, हाँ कभी धूप कभी बादलों की है लड़ियाँ, कुछ तोने से है बन के है रफू ये डोरियाँ. When I get married, I want to have in my life things settled. Like I know where my career is going, where I'll be staying, everything. But I'm not at that stage. But it really gives me a lot of peace to know that I have him by my side, because then I know that we can figure out everything together. यूं सीते सीते कुछ
तूने सी है मैंने की है रफू ये डोरियां
Just a perfect beginning to a new life and also a perfect end to the previous one.